Hi all, welcome to A to Z Trading School. In this video, I am going to explain low risk intraday strategy. Many traders fail because there is no risk is defined in their strategy. Definitely this video is going to help them and get successful. Let's understand the criteria for this strategy. The entry time will be around 12 p.m. to 2:15 p.m. and candle time frame which we are going to use in this strategy will be 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Don't go behind 15 minutes for the strategy. And share price range which we are going to select will be around 300 rs to 1500 rs. The stop loss will be maximum 5 rs. Don't go behind 5 rs, and also target will be 1:2 to 1:3. The price action pattern we are going to use in this strategy will be a triangle pattern. We have the example of Tata Motors which formed triangle pattern in 5 minutes candle time frame on 10th May. The breakout has given at 12 p.m. We are going to take entry at 306.2 and we can keep the SL of lower triangle line as the SL. Here it will be 305 and easily we can see here it is given 1:2 and 1:3 profit in this. Next example will be SBI Life. Even it has given the same pattern on 10th May in 5 minutes time frame. The once the breakout is given, I'm going to take entry at 999 and SL will be 997. And easily we could have booked 1:2 or 1:3 profit in this. You can see the price range which is ranging at 1000 rupees. We are getting the SL of only 2 rupees. It is very rare we are going to get the stocks with a less SL and easily we can make more profit in this. Next example will be Aarti Drugs. It has formed the triangle pattern on 11th May in 5 minutes time frame. You can see here once the breakout is given, I'm going to enter at 817.5 and SL will be 820. Even it has given 1:2 profit easily. Next example is JSW Steel. It has formed the triangle pattern on 11th May in 3 minutes time frame. It has given the breakout after 12 and I'm going to take entry at 744. But in this I'm not going to give the SL as a lower base of the triangle because it will be more than 5 rs. In this I'm going to take entry at 744 and SL will be lower of the breakout candle. It will be 711. Even like this we can reduce our SL and also easily we can book 1:2 profit in this. Next example is UPL. Even it has found the triangle pattern on 11th May at a 5 minutes time frame. I'm going to take entry once a breakout has given at 677 and SL I'm going to give in this also. It will be lower base of the breakout candle because if you give the lower base of the triangle pattern it will be more than 5 rs. See guys, it will be more safer if you give the lower base of the triangle as the SL and take entry. If you see like this pattern where we are getting the SL as more than 5 hours, one thing we can avoid this trade and take a different one, or else you can take the entry if you have the confidence and give the SL as lower base of the candle. See guys, this is example where we are going to hit our SL. In this, I'm going to take entry at 772.5 and my SL will be 770 and target of 1:2 it will be 776.5, but it missed our target by 0.5 rs. Later it came back and hit our SL of 770. See guys, this strategy is best because we are going to lose only less in this. It will be maximum 2 rs to 5 rs. When we book a profit, we are going to book a profit of more than 10 rs or 8 rs like this. So it works more than 70%. It is one of the best strategy which I am using from long time. Even you people can adopt this and become master in this and get profit. Based on my experience, I have designed a course for the beginners. We are going to teach trading from scratch. Interested people, please contact to this number and please join my free Telegram group for more updates. And daily I will be posting the stocks which are all forming triangle pattern. You can look at those and learn from them and also get benefited with that. If you find this video useful, please like this and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.